In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to landscape in Adobe Express. If you have a project that's currently set up in portrait mode and you want to switch it to a wider landscape layout, Adobe Express makes that pretty straightforward. The main thing you're doing is changing the canvas dimensions, so the width becomes larger than the height. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design you want to edit before changing anything, since the resize option works on the project that's currently open. Once your project is on screen, go to the top left corner and click File. This will open a drop-down menu with several project options. From that menu, choose Resize. As soon as you click it, a resize panel will appear on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll control the dimensions of your design. In the resize panel, look for the custom section. This is the area that shows your current width and height. To change your design from portrait to landscape, you'll simply switch those two values. In other words, the number currently set as the height should become the width, and the number currently set as the width should become the height. That change flips the orientation of the canvas. In some cases, Adobe Express may also show a preset size that already matches the reverse dimensions you need. If you see a preset that gives you the landscape version of your current size, you can select that instead. Either method works, so just use whichever one is easiest in your project. After you've updated the dimensions, look toward the bottom of the resize panel. You'll see two options: duplicate and resize or resize. If you want to keep your original design unchanged and create a new landscape version, choose duplicate and resize. That's usually the safer option if you want a backup. If you're comfortable replacing the current version, go ahead and choose resize. Once you click your preferred option, Adobe Express will apply the new dimensions, and your project will be changed to landscape. That's all there is to it. One quick tip: after resizing, take a moment to check the placement of your text, images, and other design elements, because switching orientation can affect spacing and alignment. With that done, your project is ready in its new landscape format.